Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another quick build challenge. Today I'm joined by Brooke. How you doing, Brooke?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. How you doing, Amanda?
I'm alright, thanks.
Yeah? Are you excited to take on the quick build challenge?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Are you familiar with the rules of the challenge?
No.
No.
No. So, today we're going to be building the quick build Spitfire. I'm going to take away the instructions and I'm going to take away the box because I think the box helps. And you're going to have to build it within 15 minutes if you can. And after 15 minutes, if you've not built it, the people at home will get to vote on which one they prefer.
Okay.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
I'm not promising with no instructions that it will be anything.
Have you built this one before?
Once. It's actually the only thing I've ever built.
Oh, well, there you are.
So.
Should be easy then.
I'm going to build an entirely new plane
Yeah,
that they've never seen before.
that is
An
a
accident.
quick build challenge. Oh, come on. Should we open them up?
Yeah.
Go for it. Are you happy to start the challenge?
Yes.
It's 15 minutes on the timer. Yep. You ready? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
I like how I'm like, oh yeah, I'll just separate them all because
Yeah.
Where is the? Okay, so obviously.
So what I'll do to put you off even further is I've got some questions to ask you at the
Okay,
same
cool.
time.
Alright.
Some are quick build related and some are Christmassy,
Festive question.
as it is a festive period, isn't it?
Yes.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. So my first question is to both of you, if you could design anything for quick build, what would you design? It doesn't have to be a plane, it doesn't have to be a tank, it doesn't have to be a car. It could be, but what would you design?
A
Roller coaster.
Oh.
Sorry, yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited! Oh my god.
A roller coaster, I like that. That's
Yeah,
good.
it's like a
That'd be
Disneyland
fun.
roller coaster.
Very cool. Amanda?
I would do a dinosaur.
You know what? Adam said a dinosaur as well.
Really?
Yeah, so maybe we're onto something.
I think we are on something.
Because if 2 people have said it, then
Didn't we used to do
2 people want
dinosaurs?
it.
Airfix used to do dinosaurs, yeah.
Yeah.
They're really cool as well.
Really, really cool. And maybe we should bring them back.
I think I
think
vote
we
we
should.
do bring them back.
And the birds as well. I saw the birds in the museum.
I think it's a moulding issue.
Oh, is it?
With
It's
the,
always a moulding issue, isn't it? Yeah.
as far as I'm aware, it's a moulding issue. Okay, this seems like.
Well, maybe we could do a dinosaur roller coaster.
I'm sure that exists somewhere in the world. We could just model it off of that.
Yeah.
Jurassic World. Isn't there a Jurassic Park ride?
Yeah,
Universal?
There must be.
Yeah, there is. Yeah,
Ah, there we go. That one.
that one.
We can build that
we'll
together.
Just steal theirs.
Yeah.
And there's both your ideas combined.
Yes.
What a great idea.
What?
You've both made about the same progress as each other, which is not a lot at all.
Which is none. I feel like you might. Yeah. You regret taking the instructions away from us.
Yeah. I wish I cheated beforehand and had a look on.
Truthfully, me and Dan
Yeah, me too.
have done a quick pull challenge before, a long time ago now, but we did one before, and that was really, really hard. So I do have some sympathy for both of you.
That looks like it's something.
I'm like up at the stand because that seems.
No peeking.
You should have a separational doodah.
Yeah, because.
A screen.
I am the screen.
Yeah.
Put myself in the middle. So Amanda, tell everyone who hasn't seen you before more of what you do at Airfix.
Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm the social media manager for Airfix. So anything you see online, it's me. So be nice, please.
Very cool. And how long have you been here now?
3 months.
3 months. It's not long at all, is it?
Yeah, it's not long at all.
You've been thrown into the limelight
Which
already.
is why I have no idea what I'm doing when I'm building a ship.
You started with the stand, which is
I did start with the stand because I was just like, look how nice that looks. There you go.
that's nice.
Oh, I didn't even realise that was a stand.
Oh, I shouldn't have done anything for You are building a Spitfire, by the way.
I knew that. I mean, you should have the box.
So you've only been here for 3 months, but do you have a highlight of your 3 months?
I do have a highlight of my 3 months.
You go to Bournemouth actually.
I did go to
Yeah.
Bournemouth. That was really fun. I'd actually only been here for, I think, like 5 days
Really?
when I went to Bournemouth.
Wow.
Yeah, so it was kind of like a baptism of fire. But that was fun.
Do you get a lot of questions from people expecting you to know?
When I was at Bournemouth,
Yeah.
not really. People were more just asking like when things were happening.
Yeah. Or can you do this? Can you do that?
Yeah, they were asking for kits, and I was just like, I don't I don't know if we have that or not, so I was just directing them to other
You
people.
did a lot better than Adam because he nearly spoilt the whole Sea King.
Oh, yeah, I heard about that. I mean, it's good that people ask me questions because I don't actually really know what's coming out.
It's almost better to say no than to nod yes.
Yeah,
Just in case
like,
you say something wrong.
Yeah. Just like, I'm not sure.
So I do have some Christmas trivia.
Okay.
You can either work together or you can work against each other. The answer on the sheet, so please don't look at my paper. But they're pretty quick fire, so
Okay.
feel free to rattle them off. This one's quite tricky actually. I'm not sure I would have got this one. But if you were born on Christmas Day, what is your star sign?
Ooh.
Oh, I don't know actually.
I have no idea apart from my own.
I just know mine and people that I like. And
Is
no
it-
one I know is born on Christmas, so.
Have a guess.
What is after Scorpios?
Aquarius.
Aquarius is January.
Yeah, that's
good.
January.
And Scorpio's November.
Yes.
In between?
We guess.
Cancer?
No, Cancer's June.
Okay.
Capricorn?
Here's Capricorn.
Oh, nice.
Well done.
I don't think I know any Capricorns.
You must know San Nicholas. He's a Capricorn, surely.
Sun.
Yeah.
Oh.
You're like, who's that?
Father Christmas.
What colours are mistletoe berries?
Red. Yeah. No?
Green?
No. White.
Yeah, right. There's one up there.
Oh. Do you just come in here and kiss?
Yeah, I was kissing my microphone before I came in. What country did eggnog come from?
Germany?
No. This one surprised me. I'll say that.
Sweden?
No. Think a bit closer.
France?
Even closer.
I was going to say
England.
England, but then
Yeah,
I forgot I
it is
was England.
Oh.
Ew. England.
You know what? I watched a whole history of eggnog video last year, and so I should have
Did
known
you?
that. I did. It was like 40 minutes long.
You did some
That's true.
free 1 year revision. My God. It's
And
pretty
then forgot
impressive.
all of the answers. So.
How are you finding it so far? Is it as hard as you expected?
Yeah, possibly
Much
harder.
Yeah.
I'm just looking for bits that look like we fit together.
You are definitely way ahead of me, and I can't even see how you've done that.
This
without instructions is like almost cruel, to be honest.
This one is
Yeah.
harder because it's almost like a jigsaw puzzle, isn't it?
Yeah, and I don't like jigsaws.
Do you not?
Not really, no.
I like a jigsaw.
I love jigsaws, but I'm not very good at them.
I was gonna say you should be great at this then.
Yeah, I suppose this. Just do the corners, do the edges. That'd be easy, right?
No.
According to the song, what did my true love give to me on the 8th day of Christmas?
Something about maids
Yeah,
milking?
It means I'm milking.
8 maids of milking. Very good.
Well done.
I've got a follow-up question to that one. Do you reckon you know how many gifts in total were given on that song? 12 days
There's
of
loads.
There is loads.
So,
Yeah.
In total as well.
I don't know. I'm not good at fast maths, so I'm just gonna.
This is quite a hard one to guess. I'd say.
3.
Brooke is
30.
well and truly distracted now. It's
I'm
work.
like, I'm not good at maths. I'm
As
just
soon as I get this, I'll be happy.
Crunching the numbers.
Made me lose count. And 3.
Just take a wild guess.
You've used quite a lot of parts there.
Have I?
Yeah, it looks like it. It doesn't quite look like a Spitfire yet. We'll say that.
It will. I think. I hope.
78?
In total.
Yeah. No?
How many is there in total?
364.
What?
That's a lot.
I think what they've done there, and you've been fooled, is there's 12 days of Christmas, and they actually did a partridge in a pear tree 12 times, etc.
Oh, that would have taken me forever to work
Yeah,
out.
so maybe you got the one day right.
Yeah, I just did 12
We'll crunch
plus
the numbers on
11
that
plus-
in post, and we'll see.
Yeah, I feel like that needs to be verified.
Yeah, we'll VAR that one. Sure. This one's a nice easy one. How do you say Merry Christmas in Spanish?
Feliz Navidad.
Yeah, bosh. Easy. 3 of Santa's reindeers' names begin with the letter D. What are those names?
Dasher.
Droopy.
Not Droopy. Not Droopy.
Uh,
Dixon.
yeah. Dasher.
Dixon's not on my list.
What?
No?
To me, that sounds right, but he's not on my list.
Dixon,
What have you got?
I've got
Dasher, Dancer.
Dancer, Dasher, and Donna.
Oh, Donna. Who's Dixon?
Who's Donna?
He's the other reindeer. What item is traditionally hidden in a Christmas pudding?
Pound coin.
I'll accept that.
Is that true?
A coin.
Oh, penny farthing, isn't it?
I've just got
Oh,
a
okay.
coin here.
Just a coin.
Which does seem a bit like it might be a choking hazard.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that people have
And
probably
not
done.
very hygienic either.
No.
Quite gross, isn't it?
A bit strange.
This one's a good one. How many different types of sweets are there in a standard box of Quality Street?
Let's see, 12.
Oh my god, it's 12.
Is it actually? Just like the amount of days of Christmas in the song.
Yeah. Maybe that's where they got the idea from How Many Biscuits.
Yeah,
They
maybe
should
they were on 11 and then they were like, we need to add
Yeah.
strawberry and cream.
Yeah.
To get 12.
Coconuts.
5 minutes left, guys. You're all getting there. The momentum has picked up. I mean, Brooke was distracted. 12 days of Christmas for a
do.
long
Also, I'm literally just like,
I'm just going to add any bit that fits
looks
now.
like a bit. Yeah.
Yeah. And see what happens. That's not much time.
You're getting there.
I've completely forgotten what a plane looks
Also,
like.
also, I'm just like, I don't know where any of the red things are meant to go.
They must go on the inside somewhere.
What, you mean like in here?
Maybe, I don't know. There's no red on the outside, is there?
Um,
I'd love to have a box in front of me.
That would be really helpful.
yeah, if you could just get that for reference and put there.
Yeah, that would be too easy, wouldn't it? I have one more question.
Okay.
I've saved, ultimately, I've not saved the best to last, I'll be honest, but which fruit is traditionally stored in the stocking on Christmas Day? Which fruit do you get?
Tangerine.
Clementines?
Gosh. Tangerine, same thing.
Yeah. Is
Tomato, yeah, sure. They're both orange-shaped spheres, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Do you get that in your stocking?
No, actually, I used to get kiwis in my stocking.
Why? That's very
I used to
fancy.
not like oranges, but I used to like kiwis. So I don't know whether that means I've been extra bad or extra good. I used to get kiwis.
It's a very posh. Is it a very posh alternative?
It's a very hairy alternative.
Yeah, you don't want to eat them like an apple.
But I definitely like. I do like my kiwis peeled.
What's the alternative?
Well, unpeeled
Slice.
kiwi.
Sliced
People eat them
vegetable.
unpeeled, and like people eat bananas unpeeled.
No, they don't.
They do.
Who does that?
People do that.
No one does that.
Right in the comments below if you eat your bananas unpeeled.
No one will judge you.
No, we're just curious.
Yeah. Also, if you could put why,
Yeah.
if you
Does
do
it
eat
taste
bananas.
good? I'm gonna
Yeah,
try
like,
it.
Don't try it.
Don't try this at home, kids.
I will say both of you have not put any stickers on.
Oh.
Not to push you in a direction or another.
I know where these ones go.
You've both gone for a different approach.
Have we?
Oh yeah.
Brooke's
I
gone
think-
from the
I
bottom.
think Amanda's
Amanda's
right.
gone from the top.
Is this the bottom?
That is the bottom.
Oh,
Okay.
I've helped her a little
You
bit there.
have. That's 2 times.
Sorry.
Oh no, wait. I think. Oh no, wait. I know where these are. I think. Oh no, I can't put that there yet.
So is this your first ever Quickbuild?
This is my second, but last time I had instructions and it still took 2 days, so
Do you remember which one you built?
it was a red car.
A Mustang, perhaps?
Yes.
Probably.
It's still on my desk.
Are you proud of it?
I was gonna say pride of
Yes, I'm proud that I completed it.
Are you going to be proud of this one?
Yes.
The propellers move on this one. That's all I know.
Yeah. Those are wheels, by the way.
Oh.
I just wanted to. Those are wheels.
I know they were wheels, but where are they meant to go?
Brooke was putting them on the top of the plane.
Was I over here? Where did I put them?
You were trying to put them on there, weren't you?
I can't remember.
This just seems tricky. No?
I've built this one before, so I feel like I can kind of see what you're doing, right or wrong.
Would you say more wrong than right?
Don't look at mine.
I can't possibly comment.
I mean, that definitely seems wrong.
1 minute left, guys.
Oh no, stop it. It's too stressful.
Well, hopefully, if someone's got a Spitfire kit at home, they've been taken part along with you.
Yeah.
And they can post
Or not taking any.
how hard it was. Because maybe it was really hard.
Maybe it was really hard.
Or maybe they've just smashed it.
Knocked it out of the park and are watching in complete and utter horror.
They've probably turned off by now in embarrassment for us.
No, probably. I mean, I would have. What in
Because it's your first year at Airfix at Christmas, Amanda.
Yeah.
Have you got a lot of Airfix to gift people for Christmas? What are you
I've
going to?
not actually started Christmas shopping yet,
Oh,
but
wow.
I do have 2 Quickbuild campers for my niece and nephews.
10 seconds.
10 seconds! Sorry.
Okay, I'm just gonna start sticking things together.
Yeah.
Everything. That's
If I do that, they will stick together.
That is tough.
Oh, hands off, please. That's that. Would you like to see the box?
yes.
Would that be helpful?
I'd like to see the instructions. I want to know where these red bits go.
There's the box. The instructions.
The red bits do go on the inside.
Oh.
She laughed at me.
It is.
How did you find it? It was tough, wasn't it?
It was,
It was
really
tough.
hard.
I really want to build it properly now.
Well, the good thing is, if you buy one of these Christmas Day, they won't have instructions in them.
That is true. They don't come without instructions because that would just be incredibly mean.
Okay.
Thank you for taking part, guys. I'll let you take them home with you and you can finish it off.
Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.